Alright guys, so today I'll quickly show you how to make at least $100 per day just posting simple updates on your Facebook. Yeah, on Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, then you can do this. This is something you can do. You don't need to waste time on looking for traffic or spending money on traffic. You don't need to spend money on solo ads. You don't need to you don't need to have an email list. All you need is just your Facebook account, and you begin to post simple updates on Facebook. And these updates have been done for you. Yeah, they're completely done for you. Manny H, my friend, done this for. This is something he does over and over again, making money on Facebook. All he does is posting, something like I call money updates. Yes, he's posting simple Facebook updates on his Facebook profile without spending any money, without doing anything. And then he makes over dollars every single day. So what you need to do is get access, he swaps what dates on his Facebook and how he goes about that, how he makes money with it. So if you have a Facebook account right now, you can do this because you can turn your Facebook profile into an ATM cash machine. And in fact, my friend Manny H, he actually, in one day, in a single day, he generated over $2,382, in a single day, just posting simple updates on his Facebook profile. Now, this kind of updates is different. It's not the usual, motivation post. It's not the usual, inspirational post or friendly post. This is just, money updates. You're gonna post simple updates on your Facebook account, and you begin to see money flowing. So, this kind of method, is actually a unique method of making money online, because you're using Facebook and you're doing this, without any experience and without any technical skill. And this is actually 100% newbie friendly, and is a proven method of making money directly from your Facebook account. So Manny H has come up with with a step-by-step video series, so you can watch him step by step how he does it, how he posts these updates, and how he makes everything happen. And he's also going to give you, a compilation of his own money updates, those that have worked for him over and over again. So he's going to give you that as well, and you'll be able to get into profit. So for a very limited time only, you can click on the description. You see a link below in the description. Click on it. It's going to bring you to this page here, right here, where you get access to pick up this unique method to make money on Facebook, just simply posting simple status. Yes, so you get a step-by-step training to build income for your Facebook profile, even if you don't have the following, you don't have a following, you don't have people, you don't have a list, you don't have people you don't have friends on Facebook, you don't have followers. This same method that Manny H is going to show you will show you how to turn your existing profile into an optimized cash machine, and it's going to show you how to use the second to 10 times your results, a deadly source to fire your friends, a very top secret ultimate profile hack. Again, it's going to show you a deadly viral strategy that puts your message out to thousands and thousands of people. You just imagine that. And so you get a profile trick no one really knows about to 10 times your reach, and how to make $100 to $7 easily, offering a simple facelift service. And there's so much more that's revealed inside this video. And the good thing about this is, with this unique method on Facebook to make money just posting simple status, you only need to set up this system within 5 to 10 minutes, and you start making money easily. Become your own cash machine every single day. So it's something day after day, because this system is completely done for you, and it's actually newbie friendly. So in short, you're going to put thousands of dollars in your pockets every single month, because we follow up step-by-step video across inside the profits also. So you begin to transform your file and start making money every single day. So remember, profile also is the name of the course, written done by Manny H, with make money on Facebook posting simple status, and it does this without any investments. All you need is just 10 minutes to more on your Facebook. There are no limits as to how much money you can make from that, as generated as big as $5,000 by posting on his Facebook. I want you to check out on the Facebook account. This is something that's going to work for you, and you can see people having testimonials, and it's amazing. I thought my profile was optimized already, but here we're going in every video that shows otherwise. Wait the weekend when I have to implement everything, which I had given you also more considerations. Money, this is something you need. Billy, that is to make you money, period. This is something I actually want you to check out because there's a lot of good techniques and strategies shown regarding how to money with your Facebook. And I want you to go ahead, pick up this course and start to make money from your Facebook, because they're going to show you strategies to bank $7 or $100 easily from your Facebook profile. Actually, a gold because you have a Facebook account and you're probably not making money. This is the time for you to grab your own copy of Pursue. This is the secret, to make money with your Facebook profile. Just simply posting simple money updates, simple money updates on your Facebook profile. So, and again, one is once you pick up a profile also, you're getting a 14 days money back guarantee. So this actually giving you a chance to pick this up for free. Check it out. And if you are not satisfied, you're not okay with it, you can actually ask for your phone and you get this processed within at least maximum 40. So now you have on you. This is a great opportunity for you to grab a complete step-by-step newbie-friendly system that will show you how to make money without spending any penny on ads, any cents on ads, and it works, it's scalable. It's a perfect system to earn money online if you are or you plan to use Facebook. Yes, so you can go ahead and pick up this, check it out. You can go ahead, pick up a copy of this, and then see how you're going to make money. Facebook just post money update status. Remember, you're not going to spend money on Facebook having other paid ads, and there's no need to go for solo ads. You don't need to have an email list to do this, and you don't need to do any techy stuff. Everything, in fact, is done for you. They pick this up. Manage simple Facebook updates. He has a lot of templates for you to use, so you just go ahead, copy them, edit them, modify them, and post them in your status, and you begin to see your Facebook profile turn into an ATM cash machine. So I want you to go ahead and pick this up right away. I think that's all for now. If you have any question, you can comment section, but I want you to go right now. I don't know how long this is going to close. This is a limited time offer, a limited time deal. So go ahead. There's a description below in the description. There's check on the description below. You'll see the link to pick up the profile also manage, and it's going to bring you to this page. The purchase on this if you have a Facebook, because you turn your Facebook profile into an ATM cash machine. Freedom is desired. If you want to make money just posting updates on Facebook, this is what you need. So go ahead and check this out and pick it up, because it's going to show you an interesting way to make money with your Facebook profile. So go ahead, pick it up, check it out, and make good profit with it. So if you are still watching, make sure you click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel for more money updates of make money online. And if you have any question, I'm always here to answer you. Comment in the below. And if you want some free stuffs, there's a link there to join our Telegram channel. Go ahead, join the Telegram group, Online Monthly Income, and I'm promising you that you're gonna get lots and lots of updates about making money online. So if you want to make money from your Facebook accounts for free, no spending money on traffic, no buying of solo ads, no need to use email list, then profile also is all you need. So go ahead, pick up profile also, and make money from and turn your Facebook profile into an ATM cash machine. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.